This is a garden view room in the hotel. Closet with a safe. There's the mini fridge. They don't give you anything in the mini fridge, but they do give you 1 bottle of water a day. There's a coffee maker, but you don't get anything to make coffee with. The TV, though, is a nice flat screen TV, which really impresses me in Cuba. It has a little balcony, but this really isn't much of a garden view. Furniture's cute and very clean. The color coordination is really cute, really crisp. Now let's go take a look at the bathroom. Remember, in Cuba, you're not allowed to flush the toilet paper, so they do always have a garbage can in the washrooms. This one's nice. The plugins in here are 220 volt, but a lot of them throughout the suite are actually 110, so we didn't need to bring adapters. The shower's quite nice. This room is quite clean.